let's get into eyes. All right, beautifuls, we have made it to the end. All right, we're going to get into this very simple eye look. Anybody can do this eye look, okay? I'm taking it very slow, very easy, very simple. I'm going to start off using this contour palette, and I'm going to use the color Sculpt as my base color. Your base color generally goes over your entire eyelid, and it's kind of, or you will hear the term transition color. I'm using it kind of as my transition color all over my eyelid. And typically when I'm doing such a simple look like this, you won't see me do, you're not going to see me do anything else but one second color, okay? Because I don't want to make it too detailed that is hard to follow. But I want to make it pretty enough that you can still glow when you walk out the door, if that makes sense, okay? Okay, so follow me, okay? Stick with me. This contour palette is at Walmart. It probably retails for maybe $12, I think, maybe, if that much. I may be overpricing it. I'm sorry if I am, okay? And that color there, that's the darker color that I showed you in the beginning. I'm using it on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just creating that little V just to give me some depth, because I don't like for my eyes to look the same color as my skin tone, because then my face kind of looks kind of whitewashed. It kind of looks all the same tone. So when I put on my lashes and everything else comes together, nothing kind of looks like it has any depth to it other than just my contour. Okay, so basically this is the contour for my eyes. Okay, so as I create this look, I just want to share with you that this basically, this series has been very, very, very fun for me, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. I wanted to do something that was a little bit different, because I know there's a lot of people out there struggling with actually doing makeup and putting things on, and we kind of fast forward videos and we kind of go through them really, really quick. I did not want to fast forward through anything too much. I wanted to slow it down. I wanted to make it doable. I wanted to make it relatable. I wanted to be able to have you walk through this with me, even if it took for you to go through each and every one as a step. Rewind it if possible. Go back, try it, wipe it off. You saw me. I actually wiped off my eyebrow in the beginning and started over. So we all do it. We all make mistakes and we all start over. So don't think just because you're beginning that you're doing something wrong. We all make mistakes, okay? So don't be afraid to try any type of look, okay? What I'm showing you right now is the basics for a face. This is basics for any face. If you want to see something more with an eye look, drop me a comment, hit me a thumbs up, let me know what colors you want to see, what kind of shades you want to do. But we can go glam, we can go diamonds, we can go studs, we can go look, we can do looks. I just need to know, okay? All right, so back to the video. All right, now get off my soapbox. Sorry about that. Now I'm using a eyelash primer when I do put on my eyelashes. I am going to use the Dior eyelash primer first before I go ahead and put on the new Lash Sensational Sky High by Maybelline eyelash mascara. Ugh, my words are just fumbling all over the place tonight, right? But yeah, before I put on that Maybelline mascara, I'm going to put that on before I actually throw on my lashes here. And I don't do my lashes on camera, because I do have an entire video on that I will link above. If you want to see me do an eyelash tutorial, I will link that video above, okay? All right. Now, don't forget to check out my girl, LaShonda of El Catrice Beauty for beautiful lipsticks, baby. I'm going to drop her link in my description because her lipsticks are the bomb.com, okay? Okay. Now, I definitely appreciate everybody who has stuck with me to the end. I appreciate you for watching. If you're new to my channel, I appreciate you. Welcome. Thank you for coming. Don't forget, this is number 8 of a multiple part series. So go back and check them out if you have not. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And come back now, you hear? All right. Y'all have a beautiful one. Ciao.